In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can change your YouTube profile picture on mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do. The first thing you will want to go ahead and do is head over to your YouTube app on your mobile. And some of the people on mobile will get this option here. So if I go to my channel and then go to edit channel, as you can see, there is a camera icon there on your profile picture on your profile. So if you go ahead and click that, you can go ahead, take a photo, or you can choose photo from your mobile device. If this doesn't work for you, what you will need to go ahead and do is go all the way back, go to a browser of your choice, whether that's Google Chrome, Firefox, whichever you use. Go to Google Chrome and then go over to youtube.com. And then from here, what you will need to do is go to the three dots in the top right corner of the page, or any menu icon on your device, and go ahead and select desktop site. And then what that will do is it will make it look more like a desktop version. So go ahead, go to your profile picture, and then go over to your channel, and then go ahead and click on that customize channel tab there. And then once you've clicked on that, you'll be brought to this stage here. And then what you will need to go ahead and do is click on branding on the top bar there. And then as you can see, there's an option there right next to your profile picture to go ahead and change it. Go ahead, click on change. And then it will go ahead and ask for permission to gain access to your photos and your media on your mobile. Go ahead, select your picture that you wish to use, and then it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.